A unique proposition by Canorias of the Srei Group created the brand Quippo in 2002. Pioneer organized equipment renting and banking for India's growing construction industry. Today, the largest service provider with a family of 500 men managing 1,000 machines across the country, Quippo proposes holistic equipment solutions from rental to asset management and valuation to disposal. Brand Quippo brought India's first ever equipment bank in 2002. Its valuation and auctioning wing arrived in 2005. In 2010, CEO Himadri Bhattacharya initiated the entry into new arenas like operating lease, fleet management services for repossessed equipment, and fee-based training. 2012 saw overseas horizons open in equipment trading and much more. The organized sector holds just 20 to 25% of India's largely unorganized equipment rental business. As the market leader, Quippo's share is around 30%. In valuation and auctioning, it is over 40%. Quippo's unique and pioneering identity is based on delivering a whole gamut of services. Rental equipment manned by qualified and trained technicians, operating lease of equipment on long-term basis, management of repossessed equipment for banks and NBFCs, fee-based training on equipment operations, maintenance and safety. Strong asset management capability, wholly owned subsidiary of Srei, in-depth knowledge of equipment rental and fleet management, strong IT network for fleet management, wide variety of fleet mix. Quippo valuers and auctioneers specialize in used plant and machinery, construction equipment, commercial vehicles and automobiles for valuation, disposal, audit, asset transfer and refinance. High ethical standards and excellent services earned us top-notch reputation. Some of our specialized disposal tools are online auction through the Quippo auction portal, live auction, private treaties or negotiated sales, sale Mela campaign. Quippo's USP is the one-stop holistic solutions offered: rental, maintenance, refurbishment, evaluation, auction and sale. Quippo's strength is derived from its well-trained crew and spares inventory for daily maintenance, developed infrastructure for in-house repair and maintenance, technically qualified service teams providing end-to-end solutions 24/7 to customers even at the remotest locations. Strong logistic network ensures timely arrival and commissioning on site. The first to introduce live auctions in India, intimate knowledge of machines and client requirement, physical presence on the ground, and a vast network of domestic and overseas customers. Quippo's pan-India presence serves infrastructure in roads and highways, railways, power, urban and rural infrastructure, airports and ports, telecom and more. With Srei headquarters at Kolkata, Quippo's regional and branch offices are present in major metros. With 3 decades of experience, CEO Himadri Bhattacharya's leadership has been instrumental in setting up new business entities and identifying global business opportunities. Under him, the transformation of a construction equipment rental company to a holistic equipment service provider is complete, with operating lease, equipment banking, fleet management, valuation and disposal, equipment training, and now looking forward overseas. Coming together is the beginning. Keeping together is progress. Working together is success.